We got up on January 6th with every intention of leaving home early. We got everything packed in the car, and then our tenant came and said they had broken the handle off the toilet. So Bruce had to go over, take a look at it. Yeah, it needed a new handle. So we went out, bought a new handle, came back, and because the way the cabinet was built above the toilet, we couldn't get the handle in and work on it because we couldn't see what we were doing. So we had to take the toilet off, move it out into the bathroom, put the handle on, put the toilet back on, and meanwhile it was about 2.5 hours wasted fixing the toilet. But we couldn't leave without fixing the toilet for him. We are driving through Knoxville right now, and we should have been in Georgia. But it just didn't work that way. But you have to do what you have to do.